Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a very popular Bengali dish, Rui Macher Kalia, means Rohu fish kalia. Generally I make fish kalia occasionally because it's little rich. Hope you will like this recipe.
This one, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Can you also
For fish kalia, here I am taking 4 pieces of Rui Mach or Rohu fish or buffalo carp, and we need 2 tablespoons plain yogurt, 1 medium size of onion paste, 1 medium size of tomato puree, 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste with ripe green chili like this. 4 green chilies I added in this paste and 4 green chili, 2 tablespoons chopped coriander leaves is optional, and we need 4 tablespoons mustard oil, 1 teaspoon ghee or clarified butter. It's optional. I am taking ghee because fish kalia is little rich. Half teaspoon sugar, also it's optional. Pinch of Bengali garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt to taste, 1 tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 2 bay leaves, 3 to 4 cloves, little bit cinnamon stick and 2 green cardamom. We will marinate the fish first with little bit salt and turmeric. Coat them well. Leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the yogurt mix masala. Add turmeric, red chili powder, cumin powder and coriander powder. Mix it well. Yogurt masala paste is ready. Now let's fry the fish pieces. Let's heat up the pan. Keep the flame on medium. Now add mustard oil. I will do shallow fry. Now flip the other side carefully. Fish fry is ready. Remove them. In the same pan, I will make the gravy. I am not adding more oil. Add bay leaves, whole garam masala, cumin seeds, keep the flame on medium but adjust the flame when you need. Now add onion paste, fry the onion paste 3 to 4 minutes until the raw flavor goes away. Now add the ginger, garlic and green chili paste and saute it for 2 more minutes. Now add tomato puree and keep stirring. As you can see, the oil is separating. It's time to add the yogurt mix paste. Mix it. Add salt, sugar. Now add ghee or clarified butter. Keep stirring for few more minutes, at least 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 cup of water. I think it's enough water because the kalia's gravy should be thick. Now cover it for 2 minutes on high heat. It's 2 minutes. Time to add the fish pieces. Cover it again for 10 more minutes. on medium heat. After 10 minutes, keep the flame on low. Add garam masala, chopped coriander leaves or cilantro, and 4 whole green chilies. Mix it gently. Our fish kalia is ready. Switch off the flame and cover it for 2 more minutes. Then we'll dish out. Thanks for watching my video. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss the new updates. See you next time. Take care. Bye.